Hello, welcome to Fallen Tree 124. Today, I'm going to make a short video on how I actually got rid of the duckweed on my pond. You guys remember a couple years ago, this pond was full of duckweed. Now, I did this all naturally, and it's easier than you think. So if you remember a couple years ago, I made a short on how to get rid of it.
Do you have a duckweed problem on your pond and looking for all natural solutions without chemicals? Check this out. Option 1 is to physically remove it. But you're going to take a little sweat equity. It grows like a mat on top of your water, almost like carpet. Or there's option 2. In my experience, Mother Nature brought it there, and Mother Nature always finds a way to get rid of it.
Since then, I discovered a third way, and the third way really seemed to work. And I wanted to share it with you today. So if you look at my pond today, a little over a year later, is completely free of duckweed. Spoiler, it's a breed of fish, but not the one you would think of first. It's not the triploid grass carp that you usually use to clean out the grass and other vegetations in your pond. It's a different fish, and I added about 12 of them to my pond. They're about 4 to 6 inches when they started, and instantly, within 6 months, my pond was turning around. These Japanese carp were the miracle cure for me. Like I said, I put just a dozen or so in the pond when they were real small. Within a year, they were about a foot long. And they love to come to the surface and eat any little vegetation. So as you can see, it really worked for me. And hopefully, it helps your pond out as well. So if you like this video, click like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Till next time, my friends.